I began experiencing all kinds of other phenomena because I'd shut the door so tight, and the door kind of blasted open when I was first 21, because when my dad died, I returned back to that door. And that's when again another door opened up, and I returned back to that communication, and things began happening. So when by the time my second son was born, all kinds of things were happening. My youngest son, we were having blue beings coming in the house. That started. We were having crafts over our house.